Instagram has updated the Instance feature to allow users to post short video clips. Want to try it for yourself? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to post videos on Instagram Instance. Now let's get started. To post a video on Instagram Instance, first ensure you've updated your Instagram app to the newest available version. Then open Instagram and go to your Message tab. Tap the Instance icon in the bottom right corner. Before recording your video, you can choose if you want your instant to be visible to all your friends on Instagram or only your close friends list. You can also add a caption for your post by tapping the bottom of the camera preview window and typing in whatever you want to add as the caption. To record your video, hold down the shutter button. You can record for up to 6 seconds. When you release the shutter button, recording will stop and your instant will be immediately posted, just like regular photo instants. You can tap the undo button if you post something by accident or change your mind. You can view your posted instance by tapping the album icon in the top right corner. That's all it takes to post videos on Instagram Instance. Want to learn more about Instance? Check out these tutorials next. Click one of the videos on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.